Welcome to JUGAO. Today, I want to introduce this 9-axis CNC bending machine of ESA 875 system from Italy, 250 ton, 4000. Introduction of electrical cabinet. The electrical cabinet is designed according to CE standard requirements. All the main electric elements are Schneider products. Introduction of system. ESA 875 is an operating system developed based on Windows system platform. The operating screen is a 21.5-inch touchscreen. It has handmade 2D workpiece automatic generation bending function and supports ESA 3D bend software, optional. You can enter the System Diagnosis Parameter interface and select Language option to change the system language. The system provides 23 language options. The first step after entering the operation interface every time is returning to 0. Programmed bending can only be done after finishing all operations of returning to 0 automatically. Mold Library Editing Interface. Click again to switch between upper and lower model libraries. Enter the Program Editing Interface. Set the parameters of every step according to different bending requirements. Program Option Interface. Select an edited program or create a new program. New graphic programs require to set the information of plates to be processed first. Enter the graphic programming interface and draw the section of workpiece to be processed. Use the system bending simulation function to simulate whether there is interference phenomenon in bending process. Generate the bending program after confirming there is no interference. Use No Test to check the running situation. Enter the parameter setting interface of reference points on every axis. You can change the position of reference point according to actual situation. This function can only be used by the administrator. Modify the accuracy correction of every axis through changing the reference point. Return to 0 after finishing the change. In actual bending, we simulate oblique bending on two sides. Bending requires that X1 and X2 are not at the same position. Bending is finished in 4 steps.